We'll guide you through how to make 3D text in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening Alight Motion on your device. Once the application has loaded, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. After selecting the settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. When the project is ready, press the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Text to add a new text layer. Once the text box appears, enter the text that you want to turn into 3D text. After typing your text, adjust the alignment according to your preference. Position the text in a way that fits your project. Next, choose a font that you like. Browse through the available fonts and select one that matches the style you want. After selecting a font, go to the size option and adjust the size of the text until it appears the way you want on the screen. Once the size is set, go to the text color option and choose the color that you want to use for the text. After all the basic text settings have been configured, open the Effects section. Inside the Effects section, open the Effect browser to access the available effects. Once the Effect browser is open, navigate to the 3D category. Browse through the effects available in this section until you find the Raster Extrude effect. Select the Raster Extrude effect and apply it to your text layer. As soon as the effect is added, the text will begin to display a three-dimensional appearance. To customize the effect, open the Raster Extrude settings. Locate the depth parameter and adjust it according to how long or deep you want the 3D effect to appear. Increasing the depth creates a thicker 3D look, while decreasing it creates a shallower effect. After setting the depth, go to the Orientation option. Use the orientation controls to rotate the 3D text. Adjust the rotation until the text is displayed at the angle that you prefer. Once you are satisfied with the depth and orientation settings, you have successfully finished making 3D text in Alight Motion using the Raster Extrude effect.